Well, and we are live. Today is 2nd of October, and this is America's Scrum. Here is Brian, Paul, and me. And Paul, let's start with you.
I just looked through a lot of the popular freelancer sites yesterday, basically, and applied for a couple of those jobs.
Mm-hmm. Any answers yet?
Nope.
Okay, not that fast. Okay, but did you find anything interesting?
Yeah, there was like an RSpec job. Somebody had, a little too much to do. There was like a web development company, although they're doing Rails, and I don't have like a lot of Rails experience, but I could take it.
You shouldn't forget about marketing too, You need to improve your, you need to make your profile, portfolio, put your resume, put the description, put your skills, maybe even pay $2 or $3, I don't know, to something so you can increase your level, or something like that in these cases. So,
Right.
like, start to make some marketing, Yeah. Okay, what are your plans?
Start to make some marketing.
Oh, great. Well, okay. Brian?
Right, me, not much yesterday. As I said, Wednesday is usually very busy for me, so I didn't have time. Today, what I plan to do is catch up with website 1. Looks like a couple of things happened. Thomas merged in a pull request just today, I believe. Looks like he's been updating static pages, which is good. That's been a long time coming. Yeah, so yeah, just basically catching up with things. I know there's still a couple of pending pull requests and pivotal stories I need to reply to people and stuff. Right. Yeah, that's me. Nothing blocking me except for my lack of time.
Okay. And my turn, man. Yesterday I carried out AmericasScrum and we are doing good progress. We migrated for a while into Jira. I can show. Yeah, I can show you that screen we have now. Our Scrum board in Ostra. We decided to try one sprint in Pivotal Tracker and in Jira, so to compare, and we'll see how it works. And I do not think that it's because of Jira, but it seems like our productivity increased like 3 or 5 times at least.
Wow.
Yeah, I think it's because we have that Scrum board and we can see what we do. Like we created that code review status, and now everyone who do anything to merge to go into code review, and after that to resolve if it's merged. And the main point here that if two members of a team look at pull, like other member of a team could merge pull request of different member if he think that it's good, and now every team member go to code review board and see which merge which task he can do, so we can do it faster. Yeah, and we can see work for each member, what's to be done in progress, in code review and resolved, and for every member, so we can understand who is working on what. And I hope it increased productivity. I don't know, but it seems like it will be first sprint what we can do that we planned. So we'll see. Yeah.
Can I ask, like, does Jira give out a free version? Because I remember you have to pay for Jira.
I don't know. It seems like yes, for non-commercial organizations we can.
Oh, okay, that's cool. Another thing is your Jira looks more modern than the one I use at work, which looks terrible.
Yeah, no, this is
the web version, maybe.
Oh, well, I am using a web.
And as I understand, guys already make this integration with GitHub, so when you make merge, when you make a commit, you can change the status from code review to resolved, or from in progress to code review, something like that. So it's some tasks can go automatically. Yeah. Yeah. There are a lot of interesting issues. Yeah. I don't know if it's.
I don't know what version of Jira we're using, but this one looks so much more modern.
Well, it's last one. It's Jira on demand, so it's last.
Right.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe they're using some legacy system. Anyway.
I don't know. So we have backlog. And we have this is our backlog for tasks, and this is our Scrum board. Oh, we also have a dashboard for our project. We can see the health of our project now. Let me show you it. It's opening. Yeah, that one. So we have how many tasks we completed, how many tasks we need to do, how much time go to the sprint, who is the most active team member, and you can look at the tasks he has, and just statistic what kind of type of tasks. It's just for just it looks better with pie chart. That's it. Nothing interesting for now, but later we'll see. We'll make it better. Well, that's it. What I wanted to say. Any other questions, ideas to discuss?
Yeah. Did they ever figure out exactly what was the memory issues? Oh, hey, Thomas.
Oh, yeah. Looks like it
Was
was.
it Ice Cube?
No, well, that wasn't a big culprit. Turns out to be an array was being created, and the garbage collector wasn't aggressive enough, basically, and it just let it sort of grow, and then yeah, we didn't put hard limits on it, and so we got rid of that array and put it a constant instead, because it was basically the same thing.
Thomas, you came just in time. Your turn.
For what? Oh,
For Scrum.
okay. For Scrum, yeah. Well, I've been busy with the AV 102 course today. I've been recording some videos for that, and I've been sending out emails to our students. I created a Google group for this iteration of the course, so we can communicate with our students. And apart from that, I've been doing a quick. I did a small pull request to develop that I merge automatically to staging because that's what Sam wanted, and I just updated the links in the route banners to point to respective topic pages because Sam said that if that is live on the site, then he will feel pressure to actually update those pages. So we agreed upon just changing those links and pushing that code up all the way to production. But since we have a pretty lousy test suite now that fails on every, I mean, I have to run Travis 3 or 4 times before I make it green. So those 4 links will take me 5 hours to push out all the way to production. So I'm not very happy right now. But it's in the process of being done.
Wow. This is all because of the JavaScript tests?
Well, I don't know really. It's usually it's actually not JavaScript testing. It's usually 1 or 2 Cucumber scenarios that are failing.
Yeah, because of JavaScript, chances are.
Yeah, so we just have to rerun those. Yeah.
Yeah, you need to rethink that.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, any other ideas, suggestions, problems to discuss?
No, I saw that you guys had the Jira. Well, can you talk me through that?
It's nice.
Yeah. Well, we created that Scrum board for Jira, so we can look at the stories that we have now, in which status is in to-do, in progress, in code review, and resolved and accepted by the client. And we can look at all tasks for each team member, like this is Nikita tasks, for example, so we can see on which tasks he works. This is Craig tasks, on which tasks he works. So when we ask like questions, what did you do, what are you going to do, he can easily say what he did, it should be in code review and unresolved, and what I'm going to do, it's to do or in progress, so you can just have visual attachments to just saying something.
Yeah. Do you mind if I ask, Pavel, do you know who applied for this account?
What do you mean apply?
Account. Oh, you had to get access to Jira somehow.
I don't know, it was created by Craig.
Big.
I don't know
Alright.
how he created it. Maybe he paid $10 or $20 for it. I don't know, but maybe not.
Alright.
I
Yeah.
don't see billing information here, so maybe I don't know.
Right.
Yeah. I think it's for non-commercial organizations, and since Osra is non-commercial organization, we can use it because it's the same rules as in Pivotal Tracker. Jira offer free accounts to non-commercial
Yeah.
organizations.
Oh yeah, they do have open source actually. I was just wondering if we should set one. We could set one up for Agile Ventures
Oh.
as a
I'm
whole
losing
instead of.
your audio.
Oh, sorry. I just found out that it looks like Jira does offer free project free
Yeah,
service
it
for
offers.
open source projects.
Yes, it
So
offers.
I was thinking if we have more projects, and if they're interested in using Jira, we could set one up just for Agile Ventures.
Yes, I think we can.
Yeah, because this looks like a Osra specific.
This one also specific, yes, but it's not that important. Also, we have first we created that board we just exported from Pivotal Tracker, and Jira just use that workflow from Pivotal Tracker. But when we decided that it's not that good workflow for us, we want to have it easier one, and created that board. So we found it useful, but it's just trying for now. We need to work for 2 weeks so we can understand all pros and cons of using Jira here. But anyway, the hardest thing here is to make this first account and settings, because it took about 30 or 40 minutes for me to do that. But if you do not know Jira good, it may take weeks or months, to establish all things correctly. That's learning curve is quite hard at the first day, so you need to make a lot of efforts to do it. Yeah. But for now, well, I hope it has many other things to use. Very useful one, but just don't need them now.
Yeah, I expressed a concern. I think I expressed it in the Ostra channel that it's closed to other members. So I personally I see that as a problem.
Well, it can be opened for other members. It's not. I think it's not that problem because even Atlassian, when they work with features, I think they open their Scrum desk. I don't know, but it seems like we can do it open.
Okay, but it's not open now.
Yes,
right?
it's not open now. Maybe
Yeah.
yes, that's true.
And that was just my concern that we, I think I don't know if it's of course your decision, but we try to work in an open process environment, so everything is I mean, every Agile Ventures member should be able to view stories and how things are done and stuff like that.
Yes, sure. We will
But
work.
I also noticed I can't hardly find any recordings of any programming sessions for Osra.
Yes, that's the biggest problem. We do not have, almost not have pair programming because our members cannot do that for some reasons,
Okay.
They mostly do their work like in 10 or 15 minutes, during their job, and we just do not have enough time to establish normal pair programming sessions. And in the evening, they had issues with children, so they cannot make video with that. So that's the problem. That's a shame for us. We trying to work out how to find out solutions for that. For now, yes, no parent sessions. But we have good discussion in Slack, as you can see.
Yeah, I know. But it's so given the fact that there aren't any recordings of pairing sessions, and now when the the project management tool is closed to other members, that kind of it feels rather weird to me personally.
Yeah, it's true. Well, we will open it definitely as long as we decide to go with Jira. If we will open it, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not that problem. Yeah. Okay.
So when is this 2 weeks period expiring? So is sprint or
sprint?
Okay.
Yes, third sprint. It should be ended on 14th of October.
Okay. And it's the 2nd of October now, right?
Yes, 2nd of October now. Yeah,
So another 12 days.
12 more days. Yeah, we're using Jira for 2 days now. Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, any other questions?
Yeah, so potentially this will be open to other members around the 14th. Then.
I don't know. On 14 we decide if we want to go further or not, and after that we decide how to open it. It may take a while. I don't know. Maybe we will open it earlier.
Okay,
We'll see.
all right.
I don't
No,
know.
I was just curious.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're just not sure. They may switch back to Tracker.
Once again?
They may switch back to Pivotal Tracker.
Yeah, that's true.
They're
Maybe.
just a trial period.
Yeah. And of course
Evaluating.
we can, like at least 10 people we can join here, like more 5 or 6 members. Any who really wants to look at it now, we can ask and rejoin as in Pivotal Tracker too, actually. Yeah.
I didn't get an invite. I thought I was on the team, but I didn't get the invite.
Oh, we can do it for you.
No,
I think you have in the team, by the way.
Oh yeah, I do. I haven't seen it, but it's
Well,
not...
at least I saw you in the here. I saw you as a user.
Oh, you did. Okay.
Yes.
I didn't know that I have an account over there. So.
Interesting.
I
But
don't know.
I definitely saw you as a user.
Mhm.
Interesting how. Interesting. Because we have some pretty here. Tasks for some pretty. Tasks from Sly. Let me look. For example, this one, some pretty. His tasks. Some pretty. Even his photo is here. I don't know. Yeah. Yes. More profile. Minister user. Okay,
Right.
I do not have access to site administrator, but Craig should do. Yes, we have users actually, and I think we have. Who is the user here? Interesting, but I saw you. Well, you need to ask Craig or just in Opera, and we will decide what to do. But yeah, we can invite you here.
Cool.
Okay, well, if no more questions, then let's call it a day and see you tomorrow. As I understand, it will be retrospective for all Agile Ventures.
Or will it?
Yeah.
I don't know. I saw from Sam message. Haven't you?
Oh, no. When's that happening?
At 6 p.m. Tomorrow night.
Yes.
6 UTC?
Yeah. 1800. Yeah. Around this time.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool. I can make it.
Well,
I can't. So I won't
Oh, okay. That's a shame.
yeah. Okay, then thank you everyone and see you tomorrow.
Yeah. Take it easy.
Bye.
No source code. Yeah. See you. Bye bye.